In this video, I'm going to explain you about call relay in BPO or call center industry. Business process outsourcing services has enabled modern technologies to connect with disabled individuals. Call relay in BPO is a process through which an operator can reach out to an individual who is partially or fully deaf, blind, or has a speech disorder. This process involves performing a query of a way before making a call using Telecommunications Relay Services or TRS. TRS is available in every country and is a free service to all. In this service, the calls are transferred by the operators through appropriate communication assistance. In the past, the relay services were designed to communicate via TDD or Tele-Typewriter with a telephone device. Gradually, the services have expanded with the advancing technology and have allowed the operators to resolve disabled individuals' problems. There are various types of TRS that a person can use, including the very first one is text-to-voice or TTY. The second is speech-to-speech relay services. The third one is hearing carryover or HCO relay services. The fourth one is Internet Protocol Relay or IP. The fifth one is Video Relay Services or VRS. The sixth one is Voice Carryover Relay Services. Seventh is Emergency Call Handling Process. And eighth is IP Caption Telephone Services. So let's understand more about these TRS types in brief. The first one is text-to-voice or TTY. In this process, an individual can get communication assistance through a TTY device. This device consists of a keyboard for typing a reply and a screen to read the conversation. If you're getting some value from this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You can also visit my executive program on offshoringconsultant.com. The second is speech-to-speech relay services. For STS service, the operator repeats the sentence of the caller to clearly understand his or her conversation and provide a solution to that problem. This TRS is operated without any device. The third one is hearing carryover or HCO relay services. This TRS is provided by communication assistance to those individuals who face difficulty in speaking but can hear the other party clearly. Therefore, people with speech-related issues should go for this option. Fourth one is IP or Internet Protocol Relay Services. It's an online service for the callers who are deaf, have difficulty in hearing, or face speech issues. These callers can contact the operator through text service applicable via mobile or computer. This service is free for disabled individuals and is not a part of CRS. Fifth one is Video Relay Services or VRS. The video relay service is for those callers who communicate through American Sign Language, webcam, internet, access high-speed internet, or video phone. This can be used by people with speech or hearing disability. Sixth one is IP Caption Telephone Services. It can be accessed from a mobile device, computer, or another web service device. This uses the internet and displays real-time solutions of the speaker's conversation. The service allows the operator to understand the whole conversation. If there is an emergency, then a TTY caller of Canada or the US can directly dial 711 number on a telephone device for the relay services. Call relay in BPO has made conversing, understanding, and assisting the specially abled members of our society easier. So in this video, that was about call relay services. If you're interested in watching more videos about outsourcing, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in watching some more information, visit my website. It's www.offshoringconsultant.com or WhatsApp me on +91 9511 841 495. Thank you.